Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to follow an artist on Spotify. All right. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that I am using an iPhone, so things might be slightly different for you if you are using an Android phone. But they're pretty much kept the same, so you won't run into too much trouble. All right. Let's begin by opening up your Spotify app. Once you have it open, search for a particular artist. And I'll just search for, say, Michael Jackson. And then that shouldn't happen. Some stuff happening from my laptop. Michael Jackson. So say I'll go to Michael Jackson's page, and this is like the top artist. And then usually if yours doesn't show, if you just scroll down, as you can see, there's other Michaels, Michael Bauer, or whatever, and just click on see all, and there are all these artists. But I'm just trying to look at Michael Jackson. All right. So once I get to here, to follow Michael Jackson on Spotify, just click on where it says follow. And there you go. I follow Michael Jackson on Spotify. So what this does is they give you, like, notify you when this particular artist adds new music to Spotify, and like whenever they release new music and stuff like that. So that's how you follow artists on Spotify. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.